What's up? Here's another vlog mga kabe. Ang biklaban ni Lars at Barber Cache. Very tusok na susukords mga. Huwag na nating patagalin pa at ipasok ko na! Tunghayan natin ang tusok words ni Barber Cache kay Lars Waters sa live talk show ni Francine Garcia mga kabe.
I don't like her. I don't like her. I mean, she's a beautiful person. Her face is very beautiful, but she's an ambitious faggot. I don't look at her. Yeah, she's an ambitious faggot. I know. I mean, and I'm proud that she's ambitious. Everyone bago ka makarating sa yung pupuntahan, you have to start with an ambition. And she's a very ambitious person. And I remember as she was starting competing, she will copy every single aura that I have, my talent, the way I answer, my mga punchlines. She will copy every single thing. At alam ni Yuki Ito yon. And you know, after that, she never came up, Madam, thank you, or Madam, I apologize. She was never respectful. Respect begets respect. If she'll respect me, I'll respect her. But she doesn't respect me. And at the end of the day, I don't care. It's just one person. You know?
Okay, forward tayo. Yan ang mga gusto-gusto talaga yung narinig galing kay Madam. Yan ang mga
well, I know we're not friends. I mean, we see each other. Hi, hello na now because she's become first runner-up. Pang-ilan ba siya? Second runner-up ng Miss Q&A. And I'm proud of her. She's gone a long way. But at the end of the day, you can never buy class. Next topic.
Okay, Queen Bolong.
Queen Bolong, she's palaban. She made the trend. She has...
Tunghayan naman natin ang sagot ni Lars Pacheco sa live show ni Juliana Parskova. Mga kabe, tusok na tusok.
Maria Barbie Ann Arcache.
Ano yung pa-apelido? Arcache?
Oh, Arcache.
Eto talaga, buti na lang pinalitan ko. Dahil sa kanya talaga ako gusto mag-shout out. Ayan, so, parang sa live ni Francine Garcia, parang na-mention niya yata ako doon, Juliana. And she says, she don't like me. Juliana, sagot!
Oo nga. Nai-stress ako. Super papawisan ako. Pero teka lang again, the views and opinions of my guests do not reflect to my views and opinions. And no hitting below the belt. Okay? So kung may shoutout ka, pwedeng one word, one line, or message.
Message. Okay, message to. So parang sinabi sa akin ni Barbie na she don't like me. Well, for her information, I don't like her either. Okay? Hindi ko rin siya gusto. And the next thing is, sinasabi niya sa akin at sa mga iba pang bagets sa mga kontesera na we are disrespectful sa kanya. What I wanted to say is, parang na-mention niyo din doon si Payumo na parang disrespectful daw ako, si Payumo, and kung sino-sino pa yung mga minention niya. Gusto ko lang sabihin sa kanya na iba po ang humihingi ng respeto sa humihingi ng pagsamba. Ang gusto kasing mangyari ni Barbie is sambahin siya. Which is, ang gusto kong sabihin sa kanya, luluhod ako sa santo, pero never sa Barbie. Okay? And last, sabi niya, parang ginaya ko daw, ginaya ko yung talent mo. Pero, I believe na disrespectful yon kung ginaya ko yun nang nandun ka. 'Di ba? And sinasabi niya pa na parang ginagaya ko daw the way he moves, the way he she answer pala. Isa lang gusto kong sabihin sa'yo, Barbie. Si Ivern lang ang utu-utong gumaya sa mga pinaggagawa mo sa stage. So, hindi kita gagayahin at never kitang gagayahin bukod sa talent mo. At ginaya ko yung talent mo hindi dahil maganda, kundi dahil madali. So, yun na yung gusto kong sabihin sa'yo. And, lastly, huwag nai-stress ako eh.
Okay, relax.
Don't talk about class, Barbie Arcache. Do not talk about class. Kasi gusto ko lang tanungin, ano po bang trabaho nyo? I can buy anything I want with my dignity so clean. So, wag mo kong sabihan na I can never buy class because kung yung class na rin naman na nasa'yo, hindi ko yun bibilhin. So, yun lang naman, Barbie Arcache. And can somebody tell to Barbie that her time is up? Yan.
Okay.
For more updates, subscribe nyo lang at hit the bell para masundan ang biklaban ng dalawa. Nakakaloka mga kabe!